My friends, in my 200 3D CAD problems in FreeCAD series, today I want to work on exercise 83. Exercise 83 looks like a cap, right? And has a lot of tiny little detailings, so we'll have to be careful. But let's go ahead and do our image processing real quick. The outside diameter is 609. We'll take that one. 609. Alright. And I want to keep that on XY plane for now. And then let's go ahead and relocate that to the center of the object, which is easily done there. So I want to build this bottom pad first, and it's pretty simple. It's a circle of diameter 609. Right? And I want to pull this. So this is sketch base circle, and I want to pad it up for 50. All right, so base circular, and on top of that I want to draw another sketch, and on this one actually I'm gonna go ahead and draw another sketch, and I'm gonna offset that for 50, but I will come back to make that as a formula. But for now I want to offset it at 50. Okay, and I want to build this smaller circle. I'll go ahead and hide this one and draw another circle which should be 382 diameter. 382. All right, and that should be pumped up for 20. So sketch medium circle, and that should be pulled up for 20. Okay, so this is mid circular, medium circular. All right, and now I want to build this upper side, which is essentially a circular area cut into different shapes. So let's go ahead and build another sketch, and on this one I want to offset it for 70. All right, and now I want to draw another circle of, okay, what is the radius? I'm gonna go ahead and hide this one, and this radius is 179.5. So 179. Okay, something happened. 179.5. All right, and I want to pull that up for 80. So this is sketch center circle. All right, and that would be 80. Let's say okay, let's bring all these three parts back and see. Okay, gives us a shape. Now I want to work on this middle part, which, well, I think I'll have to work on this cutting first. It doesn't matter, probably it does. Okay, let's go ahead and make that cut. Okay, I want to hide these two, and that cut is from center. It says it is given 166. I want to draw another sketch, and which would be on top of this. So 50 plus 20, 70 plus 80, that's 150. I want to offset that for 150 and then say okay. And I want to draw, okay, I want to pull in this radius, this circular area, and then I want to draw a line there from this center reference. I want to make that enclosed. Maybe take this horizontal part off. Nope, that did not do it, so take this one off. Okay, now I can go ahead and then set this height as 166. So that would be our one pocket that will go down by 80. So let's go ahead and make that. I'm gonna say sketch top cut. Okay, and I want to pull that down by 80, right? And reverse, apply, close. So there, it's there. We'll make a cut. So this would be top cut. All right, let's work on the middle one. So this is 100 across the center in a symmetric fashion. So let's go ahead and then draw another sketch on XY plane with 150 offset, and then draw maybe a rectangle. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just make a rectangle and make this length wide open, say 450. Nope, I want to make it 450, and maybe make that symmetric. I should have gone with a symmetric rectangle. All right, and make this height 100, and that does the trick. All right, I want to, so this would be sketch mid cut, and I want to pull that down by 50. Right, so this is mid cut. Now from this center circular I can make two cuts, or I can make these two one object. So this is cut, and actually no, this is, I'm gonna say minus, and then take this one and make that minus. There it is. All right, so let's bring these two back. Now it is center, so it's not circular anymore, it's center. Now I can make these three one object, but before doing that, let's make this tiny hole, and that hole is given as detail B. It goes down 20, diameter 17.5. So tell you what, let's hide all of these, and I am going to make a cylinder of diameter, so radius is 17.5 divided by 2, and height would be 20, right? And that. Okay, so this will sit 30 above the base. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make that location. The position on z-axis, it would be 30. Now that 30 comes from here, so it goes down 20, total is 50, so this distance is 30, so that's what we are pulling that up by. So let's go ahead and see there. So it's facing there, and it's there. Now what I want to do is I want to use the lattice 2 workbench to distribute them around the outside. So if you're watching this video as the first video in this series, I have multiple videos on Lattice 2 Workbench. It's an add-on workbench. You can go ahead and then find the Lattice 2 Workbench from the add-on manager and then install it. I have multiple videos on how to do that Lattice 2. Please take care of those videos first, and then this will be easy as like water. Anyway, so we have this cylinder here, and we'll have to distribute them across the periphery, and that center is 533. So let's go ahead and then apply a polar array. Select, let's go ahead and then do the polar array. Okay, so we will have to have 1 2 3 4 times 2 8. So count would be 8. Okay, there 8, right? And then looks like we will have to rotate it just a little bit, say 22.5. Okay, step 45, that looks okay. And offset would be 22.5 there. So that's rotated. All right. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and find the radius. Where is radius? Radius 250 millimeter. How about we pick that 533 divided by 2. All right, now I can select this cylinder and then polar array, and then come here and then say populate with copies. What it does is takes this one and then distribute them along the kites that we specified with the radius, that circular fashion. Now I can go ahead and hide these two, and that's our holes that we'll have to cut away from the base circular. Now I want to make that easy, so I'm going to go ahead and make these 3. Okay, let's go back to part workbench and make these 3 that we don't see one union. Okay, and then take that one and minus this one, and there it is. Those are our holes. So what I did was I took the polar array and deleted that from the fusion that we made. To do that, we already done everything that we needed. Oh, I was guessing this 22.5, but it's already given here. Anyway, it was a simple job but a lengthy process, and if you had a pretty good idea about like the basics of Lattice 2, I guess it was pretty easy. But if you didn't have any idea about the Lattice, please check out those old videos. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.